but I can't tell because it's a surprise for Mommy. Because it's her birthday. I want Yummy.
Baby sila natin guys ay naka-swimming suit yan. Yan ang gusto niyang isuot. So it is Saturday. Very sunny day in Brisbane.
I want to show you something that I made.
Very nice.
Like you put your money in here.
Very creative.
Okay,
Love.
if you put that inside, it'll go like that.
Daddy Mike is there. Ayan, nakauna yung sasakyan. Lahat ng gamit na sa sasakyan na guys. Tingnan nyo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look! We're all packed. But I don't know where we're going. That's the thing. Only Daddy Mike and I think Ate Paris knows a little bit, but she's not giving me a hint. But yeah.
I told you that. I can't tell you. It's your birthday. It's a surprise.
My goodness, you're so strong. 1, 2, ready?
No!
Go! Is Beanie excited? Is Beanie excited?
Yeah.
Yes? Where are you going? Do you know?
See me.
Ah, see.
See me.
Yes. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
No!
Kahapon, it's Mommy's birthday. Tapos, Friday, nag-work si Daddy Mike sa Ate Paris na sa school. So, hindi kami nakapag-celebrate ng bongga. But yesterday, sabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin, I've got a surprise for you tomorrow, which is today. And he was just letting me know kasi para hindi ako mag-organize ng something for this weekend. So, until now, I have no idea kung saan kami pupunta. Kaninang umaga, nag-breakfast kami sa labas. Naglakad kami for like a little bit of exercise as well. And wala pa rin akong ka-idea guys kung saan kami pupunta. So, I know I'm driving. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, you have to give me an idea kasi I'm driving. I need to know where to go. Sabi niya, I'll put the navigator. The navigator will tell you where to go. But I have zero idea kung saan kami pupunta guys. Ang sabi lang ni Daddy Mike sa akin kaninang umaga is to pack clothes. Alam niyo ba guys, apparently we are not coming home tonight. Sobrang tawa ko kasi hindi ko in-expect to. Akala ko like day trip or something. But apparently, magstay kami somewhere tonight. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, just bring something for, for dinner tonight na maganda. Yung pa-aura ba na for dinner tonight. And then tomorrow, normal lang. We can do whatever we want tomorrow. So, hindi ko alam kung saan. So, this is very exciting, guys. This is the first time I parang surprise sa Daddy Mike na ganito. So, I am very excited kung saan kami tutungo. And of course, I'll take you with us para sabay-sabay tayong ma-surprise. Where are we going, Daddy? Where are we going, Daddy?
Hmm?
Where are we going?
Not telling.
Bulky.
Idea?
Daddy
No.
will tell you the way, but he can't tell where we're going. Daddy, I see you soup.
What are you wearing, Lini?
Soup.
What are you wearing?
Sammy soup.
Simi soup.
Soup.
Okay, so it's now 12.
Sammy soup.
Oh, I need to put petrol, Daddy. It's 12:13.
The petrol station?
Sammy soup.
Yeah. Simi soup. Okay, we'll see you there, guys. I'm so excited. I don't know where we're going, but I'm so excited, guys. Daddy knows how to surprise, huh?
Me too.
May pa-surprise pang naraman na.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. It is now 12:55 ng hapon. And we're currently in the city. But still, hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano yung mga nangyayari, guys. So, si Daddy Mike ay lumabas. Where is it?
Just drive into there where that white car is.
Where?
Just down there on the left.
Where are you, Paris?
Brisbane Hotel.
Tingnan niyo kung saan kami dinala ni Daddy Mike. Brisbane Marriott Hotel. Sana ang hotel. Akala niyo pa naman saan kami pupunta.
Really? Hell yeah.
Ito yung phone mo, Mr.
So this is P2, when we want to get our car.
Daddy, can I touch
P2?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
G.
G.
Where are you leaning?
Where's Lily?
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Already.
Jimmy, you can look at the swimming pool,
Ayan.
but you just can't swim yet.
Okay. She said turn right.
Gosh, Jimmy, you.
Ah, bongga. Iba rin naman talaga. This is the one? Gina? Nagising ang ating baby girl. Ay, natulog to siya sa sasakyan. Nagising. Akala ko ang layo ng aming biyahe. Diyos ko Lord, sa city lang naman pala. Kasi may paano-ano pa sa Daddy Mike. Ah, baka daw sa Gold Coast or sa Sunshine Coast. Pag ganyan siya ba? Binibigyan niya ako ng idea. Hindi naman pala. Check in lang si Daddy Mike.
5 minutes later.
Look at where we are, guys.
There's a pool here.
Yeah. Hindi pa ready yung room namin. So, dito muna kami sa... Isn't that downstairs?
Now that we're done, I still think about you. Staring at my phone like every night, wishing you would text me one more time. Like, how's your day? Mine was good, I miss you. We had plans for us to move away when you were 25. Now we say goodbye.
Da, sana all ang duha. Swimming din sila mamaya dyan. Chine-check pa daw yung room. Making sure it's, you know, good to go. Social sa kanila kasi may valet parking. Sila yung nag-parking sa sasakyan namin. Tapos nandun sa kanila yung bagahe namin. And sila yung magdadala sa room. 5-star. 5-star service. Dali. Sa yung city, nandito kami sa
Been a couple weeks, can't get you off my mind. I still wear your bracelet, it reminds
Wala, akala ko mirror na. The room is ready now, guys. We're going to run. Paris, I have to close my eyes. Yeah. Wow. Alini. Of course. Jump in the bed. Shoes off.
It's not bouncy. It's not bouncy, but you can jump. Bounce, bounce.
Bounce.
And then,
Woohoo!
where's the fridge?
So we're finally here, guys. Ito pala yung surprise si Daddy. Honey, I'll give you a quick tour. Be, maganda siya, guys. Bongga itong room na to. Tingnan niyo, Tingnan niyo. Bath, sink. Bongga na walang sink, ha? Magkanilang pa, mirror. And that's the shower. So, dito kami sa 16th floor. Ayan yung aming mga gamit, guys. One night lang yan.
Do you want to go in the bed?
Here's 2 beds. So, Ate Paris. Baby girl. Don't push the phone, ha?
She's just...
So, that's the bed for Ate Paris or Ate Paris and Celine. And then, Mommy's and Daddy's.
Yeah, me?
Thank you, Daddy.
Which one's our bed, Mummy?
Yeah, we can
The
see
floor.
yours.
Huh?
Thank you, Daddy.
Son gives me deja vu.
How we can see some drawing?
Color
Can I see some drawing?
of Kensington.
But Paris
Can
is...
I see some drawing?
Huh?
Can I see the drawing?
Of course you can.
Daddy.
Lenny! Lenny! You
And
happy?
then,
You happy?
see the city. The city
No?
is just there.
That's right.
Church?
That's right.
Church.
Show the church.
The church, yeah. Yung tayo na pinakita ko. Ayan. Tapos, meron pang dito si Ate Paris.
I'm on light.
You did it! The light! May another mirror here. TV. Let's see. Bongga. Tapos ano dito? Closet. Yeah, we don't really need it. We're just here for one night. We're just here for one night.
Yeah.
Kailangan pa talagang pumunta dito, eh. Malapit lang. Ginoo ko sa city ra.
Yeah, we'll be
Gusto mo ni Daddy Mike na, pumunta dito.
there. You and I? What? You and I? Listen. You and I have a reservation at 7:30 for dinner. And we have babysitting arranged at 5 p.m.
Who?
Huh? We have babysitting arranged.
No.
Joy. What? What else?
I thought it's someone else, Bob. I'm not gonna leave the kids.
Joy and that will be taking the kids at 5? Yeah. So, if you want to do something, the thing is, there's also the thing is, I was gonna get you plan to get you like a full
Is Celine having a bathtub?
face pub, but we can do that tomorrow instead. Because it's gonna be hard to book now. We can do that tomorrow if you want. But so, do you want to go and do your nails now? Oh, that's okay.
I'll have to.
They'll be here about 5.
So are they gonna take our car? How are they gonna take Paris and Celine?
They're not taking them.
Are they gonna stay here?
They're gonna hang out in the city. And I'll give them the key. I'll say like, here's one key. If you need to come back, you can come back. In case you want to go swimming or something, yeah?
Wait! They turn on the water. I don't know how to turn it off.
Lily!
No.
That's okay. That's okay, Baba. That's okay.
Si Celine ay sobrang excited na talaga mag-swimming. Yan, sabi ni Daddy Mike, guys, natawa ako kayo. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, may dinner daw kami tonight. Kami lang dalawa. Sabi ko, ha?
Oi!
Inorganize niya pala, kinuntsaba niya pala yung aking pinsan. Punta daw dito sila yung mag-aalaga sa dalawang girls. Akala ko sabi ko, no, eh. Ang mga bata ba?
What's this?
You might not want to put that on there. So,
It's a surprise.
that's a surprise. Surprise so far. This was a surprise too. So,
Oh, lovely. Yes, amazing. Have you stayed with us before the Brisbane area?
none of the Brisbane. I have interstate and overseas probably as well, actually.
Nini? And can I get you anything else?
No, that's all fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
The drinks in there. What drinks were they?
They are alcohol free and it's a virgin and strawberry mojito and blueberry smash. So the blueberry is like squash base.
Yeah.
We have one like
Sure. Thank you so much.
strawberry kind of probably lemonade, but
No worries at all. Thank you.
Thank
you, Paris. Come in.
Thank you, Ate. Oh, this is nice.
Yay, I didn't know there was a fridge here. There's milk in there.
No, Paris, what's that?
Okay?
Can we have that now?
No, tonight.
Tingnan niyo.
Okay.
I want to have some milk.
Look.
Milk in here.
Welcome to the Brisbane Marriott.
Have some milk?
Yeah.
Mommy,
Many
can I
happy
have
returns on
What's
your
that?
birthday.
milk?
Hope you will have a great time here. Yeah, you can have it, honey.
Milk. Yay! I love you.
Lovely. Look, happy birthday. And then some drinks. Show us the drinks, Daddy.
No alcohol, yeah?
Yeah. Come on, look. You can just peel that silver.
Oh, yeah.
What's this, Bob? Strawberry and blueberry. And some. What's this? I don't even drink.
Champagne.
Champagne pa
And
nalala.
also tomorrow we have breakfast as well.
Yeah? Oh, cool.
Daddy will join us at breakfast.
Huh?
Daddy got us some breakfast.
Daddy.
Make it up to me later.
I have this one. Oh.
Come here, mommy.
I don't want the raspberry.
Come here, mommy.
Is this the one for this? Or this is the phone?
Bobby's sorry he caused all the trouble.
Wait, that's the phone. Don't carry it.
Lenny,
First of all, he broke
you want some cake, Lane?
so
You want
now he
cake?
couldn't fix the clock.
Some cake? Yeah, ready?
Come, have some cake.
Hey.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh. Wait, we sing happy birthday first.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hooray!
Look lang. Oh, I don't like the raspberry.
Oh, my raspberry eater.
Wait, hold on.
I'm second. I
Blueberry?
want to be second. I want to be second. My turn. My turn. My
What's this,
turn.
Bobby?
Oh. Your cake. I need one. I need one. I see.
Come. Good.
What is that?
No, no. I asked them to make you a cake.
What cheese?
Huh? It's not cheese, Bob. What are you talking about?
Okay, then I just want that. Ma,
Big
cake.
Seriously.
A few moments later.
Gusto doon niyang sumayaw eh. Eh! Come na! So, lakad kami guys from Marriott Hotel. Papunta like, sa center talaga. Come on, ate! Okay. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, okay daw na magpagawa tayo ng tingnan nyo. Diba? Sabi niya, kasi araw pa daw, ay magpapa-pictures namin niya guys. Kaya naglakad kami kasi 15 minutes lang naman na lakad. Wow, have a look. The city is so packed today. Look, lady. Look at the city. Look. See? So many people. Wow. See how packed it is. Wow, tingnan nyo. Minsan lang to sa Brisbane, ha? Or ako lang talaga yung minsan lang sa city. Yeah. Go lang. Wait ka, Micah. Nak, ate, what's that? Huh? No. That one lang. Ate, that one. Wow, good job. No. What's that one? That one. Look. Look there. Wow. Amy's there today. Yeah. Amy, what's there?
10 say hi. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Paris, as you can see my fingers moving. Right? Look, baby.
So, pedicure is done, guys. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang haba ng isa, ah. Ayan, oh, mukhang hindi pa natulan. At si Paris na nandito, oh. Hanapin namin si Danny Mike siya kasi si Baby Celine. They're somewhere.
Purple thing.
Yeah, but that's expensive. That's $1,150.
Can I buy it for my birthday?
For birthday, no, that's very expensive.
I mean, for my birthday.
See, may mga pearls. 1,360. Come on, let's go find Daddy. I'm gonna call Daddy now. Thank you very much. This one's balloon. Look at this, it's so cool. Paris wants to go for too. Oh my goodness. He's so good. Nini!
Apples.
Yeah, that's Ati's. Yours is hot. Pink hot. That one, it's yours.
Apples.
One, two. I just brushed my teeth. Magre-ready na kami soon kasi magdi-dinner kami ni Daddy Mike, diba? And yung pinsan ko si Joy, nasa baba na raw siya. Tumawag siya sa akin ngayon lang. So Daddy Mike went down to get them. Sila yung magbabantay sa dalawang angels natin while si Mommy at si Daddy ay nagdi-dinner. Do you wanna go in? Okay. Oh, I can smell you, anak! Did you do a dong-dong? Kaya pala nagtatago to eh. Kaya pala kaya nakata eh. Ay, anak! You can turn it on, baby girl. Not yet, sweetie. You wanna come out? Push. Push. You don't have to hold that. Just push. Yeah. Shall we change your bum bum?
My daddy.
Just go let go.
Daddy.
Oh, she just poo-pooed.
Oh, ew, poo-poo.
How are you?
Okay,
I was thinking,
happy
what's the smell?
birthday.
Yes. Oh, thanks, Joy. No, this one. That's why she was like staying in the bathroom with one.
Ah.
Oh, it's moving. Your tooth is moving, does it help?
Yeah.
Does it help?
So how's that, Joy?
Hi, everybody.
Yeah.
Look,
Let's come back from Bali today.
I'm black now.
Let's come back from Bali today. I didn't even know about Bali.
Oh, yeah, I was in Bali. Really? For a
I was
week.
like, I was like, where's that drone place in Queensland? Looks nice.
Oh, that's why look at message you said like Joy probably didn't go through because you were
Did you message me?
No, last week.
What day?
I said, what are you doing today? I can't remember. Right.
Oh yeah, I didn't get anything
Yeah.
because I changed the
Yeah,
SIM card.
that's right. Yeah, fair enough. Well, how's Bali?
Very good. It's really hot though. We went to this waterfall.
Yay! Where's Lini going?
Go!
Car? With Tita Joy?
Yeah?
Yeah? Oh no, so what? It's not just gonna...
Yeah, he's gonna go to the loading zone.
Okay. Well, Paris, you be good to Tita Joy, yeah? And Tita Nat? And you better eat dinner.
Okay.
She will, because
Okay,
Joy's
okay.
going to tell me if she doesn't. And then she doesn't get ice cream.
Give Mama a kiss? Mama kiss? I love you.
Thanks. Thank you.
Very much.
Thanks, baby girl. Have fun. And just
I love you, Mama. I love you, Lini. she won't answer anymore, but if it's just a random, yeah. But thank you, Joy. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Don't worry too much. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Thank you.
Kara?
Bye bye, mommy.
Kaya? Kakalabas ko lang ng shower, guys. Hindi ko na binasa ang aking buhok kasi gusto ko siyang ikulot tonight. So, naggamit ako nito sa shower ka. So, nung pagkaalis ng mga kids ay sobrang iyak ni mami nyo. Of course, no? Hindi talaga kasi ako sanay na wala yung mga bata, guys. Kaya, medyo sabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin na akala ko ba, mag-spend time together daw. Ito, mag-ready kami, punta kami ng dinner, ganun. Ilang oras lang naman daw. Pero, iwan ko lang talaga, guys. Sobrang iyak ko. Tulog din ako sa phone. Anyways, feel okay now after the shower na ako. And then Joy sent me a photo. They're in the car now and they're going to get something to eat as well. So, parang na-compose ko na yung sarili ko. So, this is what I'm thinking of wearing. Oh, this is what actually, meron ako isa pang dress na dala. But, I think this is what I am going to wear. Shorts lang siya. Backpack shorts, alam niyo naman. And then this top na nabili ko sa Ukay-Ukay last time. Brand new to siya. May tag pa nung binili ko sa Ukay-Ukay. Nabili ko ng $15. And see kung maganda siyang tingnan together. And buti na lang nagkaisip ako kanina na dalhin ko yung parang coat ko siya ba. Light lang siya na coat kasi mahangin sa labas. It's very medyo maginaw na siya. So, I'm very happy na dinala ko siya. Otherwise, agoy, Diyos ko Lord, manginig ang tinggil kung ito lang suotin. And then, for the bag, I've got this little Celine. Sobrang cute, sobrang liit na bag. And then I'll pair it with my sobrang hayag na shoes. So I know they're different shade of green, but they are green. So I'm hoping na they will look together. Tignan ko mamaya pag nasuot ko na. But this is our look for tonight. Daddy Mike is getting ready now too. Ayun, na-plan siya na yung mga niya, yung susuotin niya. Siya lang pala yung na-plan siya, guys. So yeah, exciting! Guys, ready na kami ni Daddy Mike. Naghihintay lang kami ng aming elevator. But yeah, ayun, nakapag-book up na si mami niyo. Pero madali kami kaya late. Ayun, nakulardoy. So ayan, buti na lang talaga ng jacket. Nagdala ko ng jacket, guys. So we are catching an Uber. Wait, Daddy.
Or a taxi, whichever one's that straight away.
Yeah, pupunta sa aming restaurant. Didn't you say 10 minutes away? So, hindi kami mag-drive, which is good. Hindi kami maghanap ng parking. Bilis naman. Ay! 16. Agad-agad.
So, it's a part of Paddington Red Hill.
Ah, okay. Yeah, because I know, like, that's the thing. Like, I knew Caxton Street was in Paddington.
Paddington, yeah.
But when I was looking at it on the map, it said. Yeah, okay. Because when I looked at it on the map, it.
We're going Black Hide Steakhouse by Gamba. What's that? Gambaro. Oh.
It says restaurant entry just like.
Oh, maybe that's the one. This one. Finally made it.
Awesome, thank you.
Of course. Thank you.
And more sauces. So we have different mustards, Dijon, seeded, and hot English.
Yep.
We also have the horseradish cream and the house-made smoky barbecue sauce or the jalapeno sauce.
Oh, awesome, thank you.
Which one would you like?
So I ordered T-bone. Tapos yun yung sinasabi niya ng mga sauce. Social lang sila dito, guys. Uy, grabe yung service nila. Yan, so broccolini, got chips on the side. Daddy's got like a wagyu, something. I'm oyster. We're back at the hotel, guys. Dito na kami sa elevator. So natapos na aming dinner. Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
And it was heavy. Oh my god, I feel so heavy now.
Time for dessert? Time for dessert.
Happy. Before kami pasok sa room, guys, ay tingin muna kami dito sa view. Kahit ano lang, kahit 2 minutes. Maginaw na siya. Oy.
Me and Mommy are about to cash.
Under the banyan tree. So this is what it looks like here. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng building na yan. Oh, ganda ng kanyang style. And this is beautiful view. That's the Story Bridge. Dito kami kanina. I don't think nakapag-vlog ako dito kanina. It looks nice during the night kasi para siyang Christmas tree. Christmas lights ba, no? Ito yung pa-outfit ni mami nyo, kung hindi nyo nakita kanina. Mas maganda yung light dito eh. So, buti na lang, may dala akong jacket, guys. Otherwise, my God. Back!
Say goodbye for the last time. I don't think I can move on. These photos remind me of us when we so
up, people?
Stop.
Swimming for some reason?
How was it?
How are you?
Oh, was it cold?
Be my babysitters for tonight. Well, thank you guys.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's what you deserve when you go to Bali for 1 week.
Yeah.
Sorry, I used your thing.
Hi, Auntie. How are you? Did you like the swimming?
Yes.
Winnie, did you finally have your swim?
My mouth.
Oh, in the mouth? What happened in the mouth?
They won't leave the beach anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Are you okay, sweetie?
Yeah, they won't leave
Kiss
anymore.
mama.
They were like, oh no, we're stuck here. So we're like, oh, we'll just buy
Love you.
sushi.
Come. You'll be very sleepy.
They saw the water.
Yes.
Like,
Yes, Mama back.
Yeah.
Mama's back.
I think we
I
went
love
to,
you. I miss you lang lang.
We were at that Thai restaurant.
I miss you.
Yeah, we did. We
Miss you. Love you.
was not there. I know EJ,
What would you like?
Joy, and that were there. Anyway,
Apa?
same thing. Like Paris, only Paris was there.
Yeah.
Bash.
And,
Bash.